Welcome to this Great Grades Maths video, and this is part of Module 1 using numbers, and this is video part 9, ratio and percentage. So in this video we're going to look at what ratio and percentage are, and then we're going to look at how we can answer typical exam questions about ratio and percentage. So let's look at ratio first of all then. And a typical exam question that we could be asked is to divide £240 into a ratio of 5 to 3. And now there are three steps that we need to follow in order to answer such questions. The first is that we need to add up the numbers of the ratio. So the numbers of the ratio are 5 and 3, so we add these together and 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So we have to split up £240 into 8 parts altogether. And then our second step is that we need to divide the number, in this case 240, by this total, or 8, and that gives us how much one part is worth. So 240 divided by 8, that gives us 30. So each part of the ratio is equal to 30. Now we take that 30 and multiply it by the numbers of the ratio. So first of all we multiply it by the 5. So 5 times 30, that gives us 150, and then 3 times 30, well, that gives us 90. So this is our final answer. We've split up 240 into a ratio of 5 to 3, giving £150 and £90. Now let's look at percentage. And percentage simply means out of 100. And there are two main types of question that you'll meet in exams to do with percentages. The first one is that you'll be asked to find a certain percentage, here X%, of a value that I've given here, the quantity Y. For instance, we could be asked to find 15% of £46. So here the £46 is actually all, it's 100%. So then what we do is we take our 46 and we divide it by 100, and that tells us what 1% is worth. And then to find what 15% is worth, we take the 46 divided by 100 and multiply it by 15. And that will give us what 15% is worth. So then doing the calculation, 46 divided by 100, well, we don't need a calculator for that, that's 0.46, and then we multiply that by 15, and that gives us a final answer, £6.90. So the second type of exam question that you could meet is to give X as a percentage of Y. So you could be asked, for instance, to give 40 as a percentage of 334. Now 334 is 100%, it's the whole. And what we have to do, we have to turn both of these numbers into a fraction. So the easiest way to do it is to take the 40 and to divide it by the 334. And then once we've done that, all we have to do, because percentage out of 100, is we multiply by 100. So 40 divided by 334, that's 0.12. Multiply that by 100, well, that gives us 12. So our final answer is 12%. Thanks for watching this Great Grades Maths video. For notes about this topic, practice questions, and for further videos, please visit greatgradestuition.com.